Muslims in Pakistan are all set to celebrate Eid-al-Adha on Saturday, but business is not robust for cattle traders. People who usually buy sacrificial animals ahead of the festival are going online rather than to the markets to make the purchases due to COVID-19 concerns. More in this report.
Every year ahead of Eid-al-Adha, people including children swarm markets to purchase cattle. But amid the coronavirus pandemic, the government has imposed social distancing restrictions, including a half-day closure of the cattle markets. This has led to a drop in customers to the markets set up on the outskirts of urban centers.
Last
year, the cattle market was open 24 hours. This year, the time has been reduced to 12 hours, hampering our businesses. We are very worried. The customers don't turn up during the day because it is hot. In the night, the government have disallowed the customers. Due to this, we are very worried.
At the markets, sanitizing gates have been installed and authorities are advising people to wear masks. The rules and concern have made customers switch to online markets. More people are paying charities to slaughter cattle on their behalf and deliver their cut to them or donate it to the needy.
We slaughter 500 cows and 5,000 goats every Eid-al-Adha. Due to the pandemic and lockdown, people's interest in online bookings has increased. In just 30 days, we are almost fully booked. This used to take 2 months in previous years.
The number of COVID-19 cases has sharply declined in Pakistan since the implementation of Prime Minister Imran Khan's smart lockdowns. Not just that the new cases have dipped, nearly 88% of all patients have recovered as well, but the concerns haven't subsided yet.